In a small town in Victoria, Australia, a shocking case of murder has come to light. Rebecca Payne, a 43-year-old woman, has been convicted of fatally poisoning her husband Noel with sleeping pills laced in his lemon cookies. The incident took place in 2020, and the verdict was handed down this month. The case has shocked the community and brought renewed attention to domestic violence in Australia. Rebecca Payne testified in court that her husband was abusive towards her, and neighbors alleged that there was violence in their relationship. This tragedy highlights the importance of recognizing and addressing domestic violence before it leads to such heinous crimes. Prosecutors allege that Rebecca poisoned her husband because she wanted out of the marriage. However, she testified that she didn't think the sleeping pills would kill him. She just wanted him to go to bed and sleep off his anger. Unfortunately, Noel never woke up. When Rebecca found him with no pulse, she panicked and did not call for help. Instead, she wrapped him in a blanket, taped it up with duct tape, and shoved it in a chest freezer, which she later moved into a neighbor's yard. The body was found within days of Noel's death. What makes this case all the more bizarre is that prosecutors revealed that Noel had another live-in sexual partner whom he was also violent toward, and that woman had sustained a brain injury at some point. It is unclear what role this information played in the trial, but it adds yet another layer of complexity to the story. The case of Rebecca Payne is a tragic reminder of the devastating effects of domestic violence. It is important to create awareness around this issue and take action to prevent such incidents from occurring. Domestic violence can have long-lasting physical and emotional effects on victims, and it is crucial to provide them with the support they need to leave abusive relationships. Unfortunately, cases like these are not uncommon. According to a report by the Australian Bureau of Statistics, 1 in 3 women in Australia experience physical violence or sexual assault at some point in their lives. This is a disturbing statistic that highlights the urgent need for action. Rebecca Payne's case has also shed light on the issue of spousal abuse and its effects on mental health. Victims of domestic violence are more likely to suffer from depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. It is crucial to provide them with access to quality mental health care services to help them heal from the trauma they have experienced. The case has also raised questions about the criminal justice system in Australia. Many people are concerned that Rebecca Payne's sentence may not be severe enough given the severity of her crime. Others have criticized the media coverage of the case, arguing that it has been sensationalized and focused too much on the perpetrator rather than the victim. Regardless of what happens next, the case of Rebecca Payne has sparked an important conversation about domestic violence and the need for action. It is our responsibility, as a society, to create awareness around this issue and provide support to victims. We must work together to ensure that tragedies like this never happen again.